Greetings, guys. A very quick message. I want to teach you how to stop bad people attacking you through dreams. If your hands is clean, upon I can get on a chat. But before that, I want you to follow me up on my page for more messages. Share my teachings to help others too. Get sea salt, put it around your bed and under your bed, so that whenever they attack you through dreams, they cannot get you or take what belong to you in spiritual. If you are having any spiritual problem or you need any advice, then contact me, message me with a voice note on WhatsApp. Check my number on my page. You will see it on screen too. Message me if you are an Igbo person, speak Igbo to me. If you are not an Igbo, speak English. Don't joke so that you won't get what you are looking for. Thank you.